So India is about to roll out its third education policy after a gap of almost 34 years. On this occasion, I would like to throw some light on character of Mr. Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. Maulana Abul Kalam Azad in independent India has been made into this hero who championed the cause of secularism and Hindu-Muslim unity. That is not the case at all. When I personally examine what he wrote, what he spoke and what he did, I would beg to differ. He rallied, he was the front runner for Khilafat movement in India. Khilafat movement had nothing to do with non-cooperation movement as we generally mistake it for. Khilafat movement was for the protection of caliphate, Islamic caliphate. Yes, Islamic caliphate, not secular caliphate. Secular caliphate in itself is an oxymoron. Caliphate, Islamic caliphate, which was represented by the Ottoman Empire of that time. Why was his love for Ottoman Empire so great? That stems from the fact that he was born into Ottoman Empire. Ottoman controlled Makkah of that time, which in current day scenario is ruled under Saudi Arabia. Moving on, he established a party named Hizbullah. This party was solely based out of religious laws of the Muslims. It had no scope for Hindus in it. And Hizbullah in current day scenario is a Shia terrorist organization operating in the Middle East backed by Iran's funding. Further on, what he writes or what he appeals to the Muslims is worthy of mentioning. He calls for Muslims to solely base their identity on their religious connotations. He calls for Muslims to abide by their religious identity, overlooking their ethnicity and their nationalism or their identity based on language. So this sort of a person can't be hailed as a person who championed the cause of Hindu-Muslim unity. Furthermore, his views on partition of India is very close with Muhammad Ali Jinnah's. He opposed the partition of India, but the basis of his opposition is really bigoted. Why do I say so? I say so because he was worried about the Muslims in Hindu-dominated India. He had no trust in assimilating nature of the Hindus or the tolerance of the Hindus. That in itself establishes the fact that he was bigoted in the head. His belief in Islamic supremacy, his belief in caliphate supremacy calls for us to review the secular messiah he has been made out to be. We Indians, we youngsters really need to dig into our past to really study these figures and separate our heroes from our villains. Maulana Abul Kalam Azad paved the way for leftists to control the narrative, academic narrative in India, just like Antifa does in American universities. Thank you.